Everyone, so in this today's video I will be giving you guys a comparison between Asana and ClickUp. So please keep in mind that these both are project management tool AIs on which you can plan your day or your basically your projects that can help your team access or just basically plan out your projects. So today in this video I will be showing you guys a comparison. So first things first, Asana is paid and ClickUp is free, and they both have goals and OKRs. And Asana does not have scalable hierarchy while ClickUp does, and Asana does not have embedded email while ClickUp does, and custom task statuses are only available in ClickUp. Automations are available in both. Sprints are available only in ClickUp. Formula calculations are only available in ClickUp, and assigned comments are only available in ClickUp. So a small brief review is that ClickUp is more user friendly and is free, such as Trello, while Asana is a more professionalized project management tool that gives you, because of it being paid, that gives you a editing software, small editing software, such as giving you templates and edits already made, so that it can make your professional work more easier. So uh, there are assigned comments in uh, ClickUp and not in what you want to say Asana. And then there are 24/7 free support in both mind maps, etc. You can simply see or view what ClickUp does have and Asana does not. But please keep in mind that if you get the paid version, Asana is better. But if you are opting for a free version, ClickUp is better because Asana is more professionalized and can help you improve or excel in your work environment, while ClickUp can help you plan out your day and small projects. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That's all from my side. Bye bye.